Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, and we are on the kayak. It is really fun. We're just in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, part 2. And it's really good as well. Of course it's good, but yeah, it's good. So yeah, we've got Pippa in the front. Look. He just stood there. Living the life. But yeah. We are, well, we're going forward, it's called.
Going towards the sea, so.
Yeah, we're going towards the sea. Say hi.
Hi.
You just wet the phone and it don't matter. I'm just relaxing right here. No work. I've got one hand holding the phone and one hand just chilling on the side. But yeah, better than I thought. I thought it was going to be in like the sea, not like this lake sea. Yeah, it's good. Got not a lot of scenery, just grass, most trees and that. But yeah, look. Got some trees and we've got some grass as usual, as a usual person would have. I've got my life jacket on, by the way. I've got a t-shirt underneath which is soaked, and I've got Crocs on which are soaked too. I've got flowers on them as well. What was that?
Up there now. Hey? Up there now.
Hang on.
Coming up here, whoever it is.
What?
I don't know.
What was it? What was it? What did it look like?
I don't know, just dived underwater.
Oh no.
Bubbles.
That's weird. It might... What? Did you see it?
No.
Or did you just hear a splash?
Splash.
Oh, that's a mystery.
An otter.
What?
An otter.
What's an otter?
It's an
Listen.
animal.
An otter is an animal which...
Lives in rivers. Can live in the sea, I think.
Does it hurt?
No.
Mm.
They can't bite, actually.
Can they bite the kayak?
No. Not coming anywhere near us.
Oh, that's good then.
Oh, we're turning. Let's see if we turn.
No, we're just going sideways. I'll just keep the phone here. It's going to be relaxing. It looks like that. But it's just my life jacket. Orange. And me, yes. And I was also thinking of creating songs. I've got 2 songs already. I'm only learning one. It's called A Chance. It's going to be really good. Eventually, I'm not saying soon, probably like when I'm 18 or something, I'll be live on stage.
Yeah,
but
right.
If you want me to help me do that, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, always watch my videos so we can get more views. I know we're not going to beat Mr. Beast because we're not that good, are we?
Look, you see it? That one, that. Look, over there. With its wings.
Oh yeah. Is it a bat or something? I'm just chilling on my legs.
See Daddy's van from here?
Yeah.
Wait, can we see the van? No, I can't.
Somewhere.
that, like soaking. You just stopped and now it's turning. Are you gonna do anything about it? Nope. Don't put your hands in the water, nobody.
Ready on pitch. Oh, she's on the seat. We're reversing. Vehicle is reversing. Up in the air.
She's got a bit soaked. Say hi.
Hi.
Got Pippa. So yeah, it's really good, and I don't know if I should stop here or carry on. I'll tell you more in shorts or like whole YouTube videos like we're doing now. Like what we're gonna do and that. So yeah, it's really good actually. Oh my God, we're crashing!
We're having a moment.
Oh,
We're crashing.
getting near the edge, look.